All right, let's see what we got here. How you gonna boom it?
Well, we got 19 telephone poles that we've cut to 20 foot in length to build a shop, a 40 by 80 shop. And we're sponsored by zipCAT here.
zipCAT.
And you might want to download it. It's one of the best tools that'll be in your toolbox. Presently, right now, we're just out for a couple weeks with it. I created it to help save leftover materials on a job, and also so that you can advertise your business. And you have to adjust your mileage. But Frankie, what I wanted to really talk about is this here. It's minor, but it's actually very major. This chain was applied incorrectly here because it's outside the reel. This is called a reel on the trailer, and everything has to be inside the reel. This is a cheetah bar that I used to tighten down this binder.
Oh, okay.
And you got to hold on to it really, really. Don't let it go, because it'll go flying if you do. So
you're gonna put the chain on the inside?
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna redo it. It doesn't take much, but we're gonna bring it on the inside of the reel, because state law says you can't have anything on the outside of the reel. And we use a boom binder because it's easier to get your first slack out of your load.
Okay.
And so I'm trying to get that last link on the chain, which is giving me a little booger over time, but there, I got it. And so now I'm going to take...
That's how you hook your chain.
So now I'm going to take this cheetah bar, is what it's called. It's an 1.5 inch, 1/4 inch pipe, and I'm going to pull down on it, and you can see with all this leverage I have, it's really tight. Bring it down till it totally gets there.
All right, that's the correct way.
Then I'm gonna hit that baby just so it don't spring back up.
All right, we're gonna make some more videos, but that'll be the one there for that.